Hey, Lynette here from the Women of Color in Business Podcast, where we invite you to come, get inspired, and get free. Today I'm sharing with you a powerful year-end exercise. So the first thing you're going to need is a paper and pen. So grab a journal and a pen. And the first step is to write down on your sheet of paper learning, growth, and accomplishments. You're going to make 3 lists. So you're going to write, for this past year, what did I learn in my business? How did I grow as an entrepreneur? And what accomplishments did I make in my business? Many times we set goals for our business and we focus solely on whether or not we met those goals precisely. They may be numeric goals related to a percentage of growth, a number of customers, a dollar amount of sales or profit. And if those goals are met or not, can tend to be our primary focus. What I want us to do is to shift from just focusing on preset goals to also acknowledging what we learned from our challenges for the year, how we grew as a businesswoman, and what we did accomplish, whether it was one of those preset goals or whether it was something totally not on the list, but it still was a great accomplishment. So under those 3 topics, we want to end up with at least 5 items for each. So a total of 15. So you may start out with a list that's 8 or 10 items for each or whatever number, but you want to narrow it down so that it's 5 for each. So that's step 1. Write your 3 lists. Step 2 is, from your list, you're going to create I am affirmations. So you're going to take what your learnings, your growth, and your accomplishments and turn them into I am affirmations. What that may look like is, let's say your learning was during your year, you learned how to network effectively. That affirmation would be, I am an effective networker. Maybe you also grew in not being afraid of the process of networking. You grew to be able to walk into a room with strangers and quickly begin conversations,